Welcome to InField's Reports dashboard. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through how to access and export reports in various formats. Let's begin by navigating to the Reports section. Here, you'll find a selection of different reports available for your farm. These include instruction data, CSV, spray instruction report, fertilizer instruction report, stock movement report, stock balance report, field info report, and growth stages report. Simply select the report you wish to view by clicking the corresponding Select button. Next, you'll have the option to filter the information you wish to include in the report. After selecting your desired filters, click Export. The file will be downloaded automatically. Click on the downloaded file to open the report, which will display all the filtered information in an easy-to-read format. Each report will have their own filterable options. If you need the report in either PDF or Excel format, the process remains the same. Choose the format, apply your filters, and export the report. The downloaded file will contain all the relevant data and be branded with the InField logo. The reports are printable and can be saved to your desktop if so desired. With InField, exporting your farm's essential reports is streamlined. You can now confidently retrieve any report you need, whether it's for instructions, stock, or field data. Navigate to the Help Center articles for further assistance.